Hey friends, this is Aptitude Dude, and in this video we are going to do an illustration on addition and multiplication principle. So let's first read the illustration. Find the number of three-letter words. Find the number of three-letter words with or without meaning, which can be formed out of the letters of the word A and D when repetition is not allowed and when repetition is allowed. Let's first get to the first part of the question. When repetition is not allowed, we have to make three-letter words, so we have to fill three places. Now, for making a three-letter word, it is compulsory for us, it is mandatory for us to fill all the three places. We have to fill this place as well as this place as well as this place. So we have to compulsory do three works. We can fill this place with the help of letter A or letter N or letter D. So we can do this work, or we can fill this place in three ways. Having done this, we will be left with two letters. Why is this? Because we cannot use a letter more than once. After choosing a letter, we will be left with just two letters. So we can fill this place in two ways. And after selecting one of the letters out of the left two letters, we will be left with just one letter, so we can fill this place in only one way. Now, are we going to add these ways, or are we going to multiply these ways? Or in another way, are we using here addition principle, or are we going to use here multiplication principle? Now we have to fill this place as well as this place as well as this place. So we are going to use here multiplication principle, and answer would be 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6 ways. So there are 6 ways to do this work, to do this whole work, or there would be 6 words that can be formed with the help of letters out of the word and, when repetition is not allowed. Now in the second part of the illustration, we are given that repetition is allowed. Now what does it mean? In the first part of the illustration, it was given that repetition is not allowed. It means that we cannot use a letter more than one time. But when repetition is allowed, we can use a letter more than one time. We can use A more than one time, we can use N more than one time, and we can use D more than one time. So let's get to this question. Now again, for making a three-letter word, we have to fill three places, or we have to do three works. Now here I can fill this place with the help of letter A or letter N or letter D. So I can do this work, or I can do this activity, or I can fill this place in three ways. Now after filling this place, having filled this place, I can fill this place again in three ways, because I can use a letter more than one time here, or I can use A n number of times, I can use N any number of times, and I can use D n number of times. So I can do this work in three ways again, and having filled the both two places, the third place can be filled in three ways again, for the same reasons, because we can use any letter any number of times. Now again, are we going to add these, or are we going to multiply these? As we are making a three-letter word, so we need to do all these three activities, or we are going to use multiplication principle here. So we will multiply these. There will be 27 ways or 27 words that can be formed with the help of letters of word A and D when repetition is allowed. Answer would be 27 words. So that's all for the video. In my next video, I will be taking more tougher questions or more good questions on this topic. And so that's all for the video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any queries on this topic, please don't hesitate to write in the comment section below. Thank you.